Welcome again to CryptoJet holders, shillers, and my fellow blockchain degenerates. Today we're talking about a very interesting play-to-earn game called Gods Unchained that's based on blockchain and NFT ownership of cards and in-game items. So without further ado, we're going to get into it and we're going to talk about the homepage, what the project actually is, expansion packs, the marketplace, actual education about the game, and the token last of all. Now, if you want to stick around until the end of the video, I will show you a glimpse into what I believe will happen in the market very soon. So stick around for that. It has to do with market cycles. If you enjoy the video, please do not hesitate to leave a like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell so you never miss out on the best crypto content and news. So first of all, we have a community of 47k people at this point. There are a lot of these NFT cards already available for taking. You can look at their news and see what is happening. So they have a ranked place in the game as well. Very interesting sort of aspect of the crypto market at the moment are NFT projects and these games as well, because they transition from the classic concept of playing a game where you play and spend time and then you log out and then you don't have anything. Whereas here, all of your items and all of your characters and everything make you money, passively being NFTs and collecting value. So the trading card game that pays to play, obviously you can press the button right here to get into the game. There's over $17 million worth of cards exchanged already. It's led by Chris Clay, the former game director of Magic: The Gathering Arena. Maybe you've heard of it. And there's a 570k tournament prize pool. So these guys are not messing around. If you can't sell your items, you don't own them. That's the whole concept of this game. Obviously, it's play to earn. And this is a statistic where in 2019, players actually spent 87 billion on classic in-game items, and they received players received $0 from that because it all went to the giants or the game companies. So players deserve better. This is a true ownership-based game where, unlike other free-to-play games, Gods Unchained gives you complete ownership over all of your in-game items. So you can collect rare cards, build your deck, and sell cards to other players, and they are all NFTs, which means they are unique on the market. So it's built by an ex-Google and Riot Games engineers, funded by the largest gaming investor in the world, and led by the former game director of MTG Arena. So you can play and fight for glory. You can collect cards and win cards by playing games. You can trade, buy, and sell these cards, and you can master or actually ascend with your perfect deck and enter tournaments and whatnot. Reshaping a genre, not another glorified rock, paper, scissors TCG. To rise through the ranks, you'll need to tactically outsmart your opponent at every single turn. So it's built by a talented team, people with really good principles when it comes to game design, and that is a very, very promising thing for the future. It's free to play, not pay to win. Designed with a focus on fair competitive play where you unlock cards by simply playing the game, and those cards can earn you money in the future. So what they're saying, this is a lot of different things actually talking about the game. Forbes, Vice, obviously VentureBeat, Fortune, all of these companies are actually talking about this game. I saw the card that I had earned for free just by playing the game for a little over $30. That was the moment play to earn became real for me. Now you can see a little bit more of these. The gameplay is the sweet spot between simple enough to learn and deep enough for competitive matches as fun as metagaming, etc., etc. So I'm sure you can find a lot of these reviews online as well, because this really is the future of trading card games. Now, there is a few expansion packs. First of all, we have Trial of the Gods, powerful champions, prize draws, and new ways to play. So basically, it's new cards available in limited quantities, and they have been sold out. There is a divine conquest type of thing as well. Each of the gods has chosen a heroic mortal to imbue with divine powers. There are 6 champions that must compete to prove, who's the best. So you can uncover the trials, so you can collect them while you can. And while the trial is over, the items are actually no longer available for purchase. You can choose your champion, or you can become a legend by bracing yourself for the new prize draws, offering trinkets, cards, and a one-of-a-kind mythic item. So these are the 6 champions from this pack. I suggest you actually take a look at it. This actually looks like the guy from God of War, but pretty cool in any case. And obviously you can view the prizes in the prize draw pool, which I'm gonna have a look at later. But the most important thing for me right now is if you press this buy packs button, it will take you to this Immutable X marketplace where you can literally look at all of the items in the game. So you can purchase attack items, god tier items, health, mana, quality, rarity by set. You can filter them however you want, and obviously there's a price to all of them. And if you go for the highest price, look at this guy's selling it for 9.99 million or whatever Ethereums, which is quite a lot, you know, but it's a marketplace, so people can pretty much do whatever they want. So these are the actual prize draws. If you scroll down a little bit, you can see that you can earn a lot of these trinkets or different boards or different core cards and everything. And obviously everything has a value depending on supply and demand. Now, if you do actually go onto first of all, we do have another expansion pack, which is the Divine Order, which you can also play and buy the card packs. So it's on a limited discount at this point right now. And basically, it's brand new cards, champion powers, genre bending mechanics. So this game it's very wide, to be completely honest. There's a lot of different champions. There's a lot of different things that you can own. And pretty much if you actually get into this game, it will take you a few weeks to get used to it, maybe even a few days. And then all you have to do is just play a little bit, get a few wins, and you will get an NFT where you can sell it and earn real world money. These are the drop rates from actual drops of these cards, and obviously the legendary cards have a way smaller drop rate than the common ones, but then you have the mythic ones, the promo probability, and everything else. If you go onto the Learn tab, you can learn a lot about the cards, the frequently asked questions. Obviously you have collections as well, which you do have to log into to view, which I am not right now, and I don't really mind. Lastly, we have the gods token, which is the token scaling an epic game economy. 35 million will be released in the public sale, 500 million in the total supply, and a community of 307 million players. So what exactly is it? It is made in partnership with the Gods Unchained Corporation, and it's a native Ethereum network-based token in the Gods Unchained universe. Mortals can use gods to craft NFTs, purchase packs, earn even more rewards by holding the tokens. So if you actually hold the token, you will get these free drops that can actually end up opening you a mythic item or something, which is pretty crazy. Obviously the chance is small, but it's the same as, for example, CSGO marketplace, except for CSGO doesn't actually give you money for just playing the game. It gives you money if you spend money on the game, so if you purchase an item. But right here, you can actually make money by simply playing the game. So a digital card game, obviously, players should own their in-game assets. That is the whole core concept of this game, and it is secure and scalable with Immutable X Marketplace, which is the next generation layer 2 marketplace. So that would be it for today's video. I really recommend you join their Twitter community and obviously join their Discord group for future drops and whatever else is important. Thank you all for joining in for another video. I hope you liked what I'm talking about. If you actually did like it, don't forget to leave a comment below, like the video, subscribe, and let me know if you want to see something new in the future. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Adios.